What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi limited connectivity issue on your Redmi phone. Now over here I have my Redmi 12 smartphone, but it doesn't matter the type of Redmi phone you have. By the end of this video you should be able to fix the issue of Wi-Fi limited connectivity on any Redmi phone you have and be able to access the internet on your Redmi phone without any issue. Now there are basically two common causes of this problem, and the first is the wrong date and time settings on your Redmi phone. To fix this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Redmi phone, and then you just want to scroll downwards until you get to the additional settings at the bottom. Click on it and you should be able to find the date and time settings over here. An alternative way to get to the date and time settings is to just go ahead and search for date and time from the top over here. Just search for date and this should automatically enable you get to the date and time settings of your Redmi phone. At this point you just want to make sure that date and time is actually set automatically, and also your time zone is actually set automatically. This will make sure that the date and time on your phone is correct and it corresponds with that of your Wi-Fi or your router. Once this is done, you can go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. So just turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on one more time, and then just go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Trust me, this time you will no longer face the Wi-Fi limited connectivity problem on your Redmi phone. If this solution does not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to just go ahead and restart your Redmi phone. So press on the power button and then just restart your phone, and then just go ahead and reboot it. So scroll down and click on reboot. Once the phone has restarted, before you proceed to connect your Redmi phone to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, you want to make sure that there is actually internet access on your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. You can go ahead and connect other devices to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network just to be sure that there is actually internet access. You can as well just go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi or your router, and once you're sure that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi or your router and there is actually internet access, you can then proceed to connect your Redmi phone to your Wi-Fi or your router. So go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and then just proceed to connect it to your Wi-Fi or your router. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.